Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I use my CapCut templates and what the easiest way is. First, let's make sure you have the CapCut app, so let's make sure you download it from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Doesn't matter if you have an Android or iPhone. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps me out. So what I do is I go to TikTok. And I'm going to search for CapCut templates. And as you can see, there are a lot of people who are just posting. So let's find someone. I also can go to this post, and then let's make sure I'm going to this one. And I'd be like, try this one. And I'd be like, I'm gonna use this template. And now I'm also another time clicking on use this template. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on some videos just to make sure. Let's click on the end. Let's see a preview. Now all I have to do is wait. It's loading the effects. And now you can see I'm in the template. So I hope this helps, and you can do this with any template you come by. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.